how to add hover effect on Gmail. So this can about to on Figma. So really what we're gonna do is about to choose variant component. For example, we can start to go with rectangle, triangle, sorry, and rectangle. So what you're gonna do actually is about to understand the situation about really between that one and that one. And this really be depending on about the prototype. So as you can see going to the prototype over here about while hovering to change to hover variation. So this may be about something that it doesn't matter. So you can scroll to parent, but this is really not giving you that situation. Or you whenever wanted to have send it to Figma make. It doesn't give you everything that it should be ready about to hover it. Maybe you can find it on the effects or on the stork. So maybe once we do that, you can start to go over this and type hover effect, and this may help you about that on plugins or assists. And I hope you see this video help.